In this video, I'm going to experiment using the Copilot to analyze a large field of data. I have 10 columns here, and I have approximately 9,000 rows. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a table. I have my cursor or selected inside the table. I'm going to the insert on the menu bar, and I'm selecting table. I'm going to click OK on the dialog box, and then I have my table here. With the table selected, you get the icon for the Copilot. I have selected Get the Deeper Analysis using Python. From the dialog box that is displayed beside my data, I'm going to click on Start Thinker Deep, Think Deeper. And now what it's doing is it's creating a table with Python, and it's giving us a little preview of what it looks like. So after the preview, then you have a couple of areas where it's displaying missing data. And then it starts to display unique values. So it says all of the services types, and it's previewed there. It's displayed all the different salespersons there, the unique ones. It's counted under the numerical fields. It's done a count, it's done a mean, it's done a standard, it's done a minimum, and then it's doing maximum. It's then displaying the count of the different service types. So the rental, there's 5,152, and going down, access, fuel, delivery rental, that type of thing. It's gone down all of them and done a count for them. It's now done a count of each of the salespeople and how many transactions they have next to them. And now they've done some charts here, but they're not particularly meaningful. And so what it's done now is it's analyzing trends, analyzing trends over billing data, and I don't know there. But now it's done for the access type, the amount sum, the average, rate sum, rate mean, quantity mean, and it's done that for each of the groups or each of the service types. And then it's gone by each of the salespeople, and it has totaled the dollar, which is the amount for each of the salespeople. It's the average, the rate sum, the rate mean, quantity, and quantity mean. And so it has done basically all of the analyzing that you could possibly do on this. So I'm quite happy with what it's done with my data. So now I have a much larger set of data. This is the statistics data from Canada for 2021, and it's multi-rows and multi-lines, 20,000, 25,000 lines are in it. So I'm going to insert a table, and I'm going to click on the Copilot. Show data insights is what I'm going to select here. It's taken a while. And so I'm going to click on get deeper results using Python, and start with think deeper. So this should take a while because it's a large table of data. Once again, it gives me a preview of the data. And then it gives me data types and characteristics, statistical summary statistics for numeric columns. It gives me little bits of charts of examined distribution keys. It gives me subsets of characteristics and IDs. It computes correlation among key numeric indicators. It's percent man woman ratio, and isn't clear to me. So this data isn't as useful as the other is, just because there's so much and so many different categories. But it happily will analyze a large sheet of data as well as a mid-sized sheet of data. So that is my exploration of the Copilot in Excel. Please subscribe.